How to add announcement bar in Shopify tutorial. So first is to log in to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to this homepage. On the left portion, you will see this option Online Store, which will be automatically opening this Themes section. So to edit your website, click the Customize button beside your website, and it will immediately direct you to the editing page. So by default, you are in your home page, but if not, then just click the Sections option, and then you will see this home page. Under home page is the header, and under header is this announcement bar. So you can edit this announcement bar by clicking this arrow button, and then edit the message that will be shown in your announcement bar. So this is great if you're doing discounts or sales promo. So say for example, you're doing buy one take one promo. So you can also link this announcement page in any of the pages available in your website. So say for example, you're doing buy one take one promos in your collection. So you just have to click collections and then select all collections. So when customers click your announcement bar, it will take them to your collections that are doing the buy one take one promos. Another thing is that you can customize the color scheme of your announcement bar by clicking this announcement bar option. So you will see this color scheme option, and then click the change button and select the color of your announcement bar. And you can view this website in mobile or in full screen. That is how you add announcement bar in Shopify tutorial. Thank you and have a great day.